We're here at Kia Northcliff to check out the new Kia Rio. My first impressions were of Richard Branson attending a board meeting wearing his favorite pair of hush puppies. And on that note, here are 5 facts that you should know about the Rio. Number 1, it has a sporty design with an aura that it's fun to drive, yet so pure and so regal. Number 2, the cabin or interior has been lined with extra sound deadening material, giving it that natural hush. Number 3, it has an automatic front windscreen defog function. Number 4, its frame or body structure is 54% more rigid than its predecessor, but lighter. And number 5, a feature that not many people think about because they can't see it. The Rio, all Rios, come standard with a matching size, spare tire and identical rim. To keep you rolling in Rio, baby. Thanks to Kia Northcliff for sponsoring this video.